Hello, I'm going to explain to you the rule of eight, and the rule of eight really has to do with how many valence electrons things have and things want, and has to do with why reactions occur as a result. Some elements, as you know, have less than eight, some have up to eight, and the ones that have eight, the noble gases, the ones in group 18, helium included, helium only has two, but these, not the ones down here, but these up here in group 18, krypton, argon, neon, those all have a full octet, and a full octet is 8 valence electrons, and they're inert. They don't react to anything. I have a little cup of helium, a gas, helium. When I pour gas, the helium out onto the fire, nothing happens. If I had a helium balloon, nothing would happen. I couldn't do anything to it. It wouldn't react chemically to a fire. If I put an acid on it, nothing would happen because it's inert. And the reason we can explain its behavior in terms of its chemical its atomic makeup is due to its 8 valence electrons. Now, argon, krypton, these are the same thing. They've got 8 valence electrons. Now, other elements, here's a sparkler, don't have a full octet, and therefore they're reactive. So when I make something react, then what's really going on here is you've got oxygen in the air and magnesium there. And now the magnesium and the oxygen are getting their 8 valence electrons. It's mainly the magnesium, and the magnesium and the oxygen are coming together so that magnesium can take some of oxygen's to get its 8, whereas oxygen can take some from magnesium to get its 8, and magnesium can give some to oxygen to get its 8. And I'll explain more of that in a little bit. But we can explain what happened here atomically in terms of valence electrons by the rule of 8. And the rule of 8 is that atoms react to become stable by getting a complete octet. And a complete octet is a full outer shell. And for everything except lithium, helium, and beryllium, it's 8 electrons and it's a valence shell. So the rule of 8 is great. 8 valence electrons in the outer level, and that's why matter reacts to become stable, to get this full octet.